your friend Rani Subramanian once again. Welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. Hope you all enjoyed this summer, and some mothers are very busy. I've been also very busy with my kids, and I enjoyed this summer, especially spending time with kids and family is very most important if you accept. So because in this generation the kids are growing like under technology, the robotic technology, and this kind of mannequins also wearing this such a beautiful fancy one-piece gowns. Hi my friend, how are you? Are you a college girl? See, it can't speak actually. It's a mannequin is wearing a one-piece beautiful the one-piece gown, actually shorts. And today I'm also wearing simple semi-formal printed western collections. Always you people are watching me in the sari. After a long time I felt like I want to also wear some western for you, and I want to show you the western wear collections where we do have the western segment also in the Kesaria Manufacturers. So are you a college girl? Are you a teen girl? Tuition girl? School girls, college girls needs all those kind of stylish varieties, right? If you accept this video, please watch this video and subscribe the channel and have a look on these collections. And if you are a western wear reseller, hurry up for this collections. If you are a dealer, hurry up for this collections. No, I'm not a dealer, but I want to become a dealer. I want to become a reseller. Then visit Kesaria Manufacturers, and you can also purchase these kind of collections by just sitting in your home and taking a mobile and taking a screenshot, and you can purchase. Friends, if I talk about girls varieties in the western wear, we do have a tops varieties, we do have a fancy collections, one piece collections, jeans, all those collections you can also purchase. So subscribe the channel. Let's enjoy one more latest arrival western crop top fancy tops, t-shirts, checks pattern shirts and one piece. All these collections quickly you can add into your business. No bother, you're no need to worry about the sizes. Manufacturers always giving in at wholesale price with sizes and the varieties. So this is a first benefit where you can get from the wholesale manufacturers. Let's quickly have some samples over here. First I'll start with this very pretty mehendi green with the smiley, the designer funky collections. This is a beautiful pattern. All these variety, the lavender crop top shade, this is also designer. So this is also cotton. If I talk about crush fabric, very pretty, see like 3/4 pattern. So multi designer. This is on the checks pattern. Hi. So very mini. See backside you can see the knots. All these crop tops, very slim people, tuition girls, college girls. These are printed. The baggy type, so this kind of tops also you can purchase. If I talk about alphabetical one wear, this is a one piece gown for the youngsters 13, 14, 15, 16, 18 age of girls. These all kind of varieties. You have a liner also. You no need to worry about the transfer, how it will look transform. So this is no need to worry. First I will show you all the fancy tops. This is a, see, butterfly layers, the fancy designer. This is also very crepe fabric, very pretty design. In this I have a crush fabric. See, this is a chocolate color. This is also one of the pattern. If I talk about shirt, we do have a casual and stylish jeans tops, the checks pattern shirts we do have. And if I talk about designer crush fabric, which is a lycra fabric based, this is a funky and very stylish. There is a beads, you can see here the buttons, beads which has given here. And apart from this, we do have a maroon color mini crop top, plain, very simple and sober. The hands which you got the lace. These are all varieties. This is also one of the pattern. And I do have a white base. Nowadays white base printed fabric, digital base are very fast moving collections. This is also one of the pattern. And black, most of the girls they like black. In this black you do have a embroidering based designer tops. This is also one of the pattern. Multi designer fancy tops on the jeans 3/4 plazo types on the base of plazo bottoms. We do have these kind of stylish Georgette based tops also. These all varieties you can purchase. I have showed you n number of collections which are shirts and tops. Now I am going to show you, as I showed you, this is a one piece. This is one of very pretty. One more color, we have a two piece. See, this is a jackets, which is a dark purple jacket. This comes on the two piece based. Okay, very pretty, huh? The sleeveless, which is just stretchable. In this also you have a colors and sizes. This is one of the pattern. If I come to again the georgette based one piece, see, long one piece, very stylish peach color, stylish checks pattern, the wrinkles. This is also with the lining. Stylish one piece of the western wear. Western wear, very beautiful, even the casual evening parties for the 3/4, very pretty, huh? For girls, you can purchase for 10 years, 12 years girls. One more pattern, the long ball gown shape. This is a very stretchable, body fitting, beautiful designer, semi collar and puffy hands. This is also one of the pattern, very long gown, huh? In this also we do have all these varieties you can purchase. This is also short sleeves, and this is a synthetic base. This is also one of the pattern. We do have a similar collections of the unique designs. One more pattern. See how beautiful designer royal look collections. Party wear, I can say, only designer. This is also, and multi design. So full sleeves with the belt. You can see this is also. Though I have a multiple gowns, multiple one piece concept, I do have a slot many very simple, very pretty, huh? This color, very beautiful design of the painting pattern. This is also. Friends, I have showed you today around 170 rupees to the highest price. If I talk about the counter price, if I talk about the highest price of this counter, 1000 to 2500. Today I have showed you all these varieties of the one piece, also around 700 to 800 rupees. I have not mentioned here any specific prices, and we do have a bottom varieties also, and every pattern you will find out a beautiful color charts and designs, and depend on the variety you will have a packing variants also. Friends, hope you enjoyed this video. Call out for the video calling purchase, which our sales team is an online team will be provided your calls, and they can take your calls and they'll show you entire through WhatsApp call and the video call. From morning 9:30 to evening the shop will be available. Around 7:30 to 8 you can call. If you couldn't travel, there is a video call option and you can do online purchase. But I suggest every customers, every resellers, you must do a visit purchase. Once you do visit purchase, then you can regularly do the online shopping. So this collections western wear today, crop top, fancy, one piece today I've showed you. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know in the comment box from which city you're watching the video. Keep supporting me. Share the link with your friends, relatives, with everyone. There's a bell icon, just click it. So don't forget me in the comment box from which city you're watching the video. Next video will come up with new more collections. Keep supporting me. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.